Traveling in her personal paddle boat, fashion icon Misty Meadows journeyed to Hilldette Cafe from exotic Trieste. One of the most sought-after experts in boiling water, she has made the long journey here to school us all on the art of making the perfect boiled water. Using her exceptional navigational skills, Misty made short work of the long trek from exotic Trieste all the way to Washington, D.C. via her personal paddle boat. Let's give it up for the lovely Misty Meadows. Woo! Hey, over here, Misty. How are you today?
¿Cómo?
How are you today?
Parla italiano.
Yeah, that's what I'm doing. Is it kind of sunny where you came from?
It's bellissima. Sì, bellissima.
Okay. All right, well, let's get started. Today, we're very lucky to have Misty with us, one of the foremost experts in boiling water, and she's going to help demonstrate exactly how to boil the water. All right? So, first off, we see...
Acqua.
Yeah, okay. First of all, we need to have a pot to boil the water in. So, Misty, do you want to show us where the pot is? You want to show?
Pot.
Yeah, that's it. Thank you.
Pot.
Yeah.
Sì, pot.
Next, what we'll do is we will add the water to the pot.
Water?
Yeah, add the agua.
Acqua.
Yeah.
Sì.
Put it in the pot. Sheesh.
Pot.
Yeah, good, thank you. Yeah, so really, honestly, people, don't be afraid to do this at home, okay? All right, yeah, your fans are out here, okay? All right, now.
Ciao.
Next, we have our secret ingredients, which nobody else knows about, but we are going to add our dehydrated water. So, please add the dehydrated water. Don't show anybody, it's a super secret though. That's it, yes. Stir thoroughly. Use the spoon, honey. Yeah, no. Stir the water.
Oh.
Yeah, that's it. Very good. Make sure it's all mixed. Next thing we're going to do is we are going to move over. Now really, people, don't be afraid. We're going to take this over to the stove and we're going to make boiling water. Do not be afraid of this process. A little bit of study and you too can do it just as easily as Misty does. All right, here we go, over to the stove. As you can see, Misty has successfully placed the pot of water onto the stove, okay? Now, next thing that's very important is you turn on the stove.
Ciao.
Yeah, ciao.
Ciao.
Turn the heat on. Yeah.
Cos'è?
Yeah. Turn it on. If you really wish to refine your water, your boiled water, you may wish to stir it about halfway through. Okay, so go ahead and give it a stir. Excellent, good job, just smart as a whip. Check the temperature of your water from time to time. We recommend that you do this visually. Okay, well, obviously that's why we recommend that you do it visually. Okay, let's, Champ, get her some ice. All right, well, thank you so much for being with us today, Misty, one of the foremost experts on boiling water. Misty, is there anything you want to add?
Sì. It's molto delizioso.